Okay, case 20.
This is gel foam, you can see here, and the gel foam
Perfect.
here, it looks like maybe a punch biopsy, and they just stuck the gel foam in there, starting to heal over.
Perfect. Yeah, so you can do that at a punch biopsy site. I've been told that you can, instead of stitching it, you can just plug the punch site with gel foam, and that it heals up really well. That's I'm not a dermatologist, but that's what I've been told by good dermatologists. So I believe it. But gel foam stays around in the tissue for a little while and leaves these purple, kind of jagged, curvy, I don't know, like ninja throwing stars or something. I'm not sure how to describe this stuff. Kind of serpiginous purple material with spaces around it, and usually a granulomatous and giant cell rich reaction. And so that's what it is. So it's just the gel foam with healing biopsy site changes.